Is it still wet down there? Ew, it is. Jew, get away from there. It's dirty.
Come here.
Look at all the water, Dad. Look.
Mom, look.
Devin, look. Yeah.
Nice.
Come on, Maylee and Julian, let's go. It is corn, yeah. Come on, guys. Come on, Devin, let's go so Maylee will come. Come on. Ew. Our yard won't dry up. It's full of water at the bottom for some reason. It's like a freaking swamp down here. Did you say freaking swamp down here? Jew, look. Look at the camera. Nanny's gonna see this. Say hi.
Hi, Nanny.
Weenie.
Weenie.
Come on. Devin, don't scare her. Come on, guys. Maylee. Picking flowers. Come on, May. Put that down. Put it down. Caca. Put it down. Maylee. Come on. Come on. Let's go, Devin. Julian, no. See, Dev, you set a real bad example. Come on, guys.
Now where we go?
Come on.
Can we go to Grandpa's?
No.
How bad is the storm gonna be?
I don't even think we're going to have a storm. I think it's just windy right now.
No, look at the clouds. Look at the clouds over there.
Those are pretty clouds. Come on, Mama.
Mama, a frisbee.
Come on, May. Come on. Wiener, are you pissing? Good girl. Good girl, go potty outside. Yay! May, leave her alone, she's peeing. Ew, you just stepped in it, nasty. Come on. Come on, let's go up here. Come on. Come on.
Look what I killed. Look what I killed. It was in the window. I killed it.
You exterminator?
Dude, he's gone right back in.
Julian! Get back here right now. Come on. Come on, Jew. Get up here. Julian! No. Maylee? Maylee, that's the road. Come on, Ween. Get. Maylee? Come on. What did I say? You're not funny.
Hey, Mom.
Ew, Mom. Did you just say oh shit? What'd you say?
No.
Jew, get up here. Go in the house. All done. Get in the house now. Get in the house. Don't tell me no. Come on. In the house. Devin, she will come back. Leave her alone. In the house, everybody. Come on. God's punishing you for being bad. Can't even take you outside. Gotta put you all on a freaking leash. Get in the house.
He's outside too.